It's your boy Trey Dub, and welcome to Clones TV. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and share. Let's unbox the Nike LeBron 4 Eggplant. Let's go. These fire. These are fire. Thank you, Sneakers App, because y'all messed over your boy on those Nike Air Foamposite 1 Eggplant. I showed one of those, and I'm still gonna try to get them. On StockX, but these right here, these are hot. So your boy paid $250 for them, plus tax. It came to be $270.63. So if anybody out there missed out on them, don't worry. Just go to StockX or go to GOAT. You might find them a little cheaper on StockX. On these, go true to size. Go true to size. Don't make the mistake I made in going half size up on the Black Anthracite, and I went half size up on the Graffiti. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with those. I might sell them, or I might just keep them and just double socket. All right. And I have the LeBron 4 Fruity Pebbles, and I got those 11 and a half. So I didn't make a mistake this time. I went true to size, 11 and a half. All right. Before I get out of here, I have two questions for y'all. Which look better, the LeBron Nike 4 Eggplant or the Nike Air Foamposite 1 Eggplant? Drop a comment. Now, my second question is, what's next for LeBron James as far as the NBA? Drop a comment. So what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.